Hey guys, it's Blair with Revit Auto, and in this video I just want to talk about engines.com, which is where concierge meets purchasing an engine. So how engines.com works is you give them a call or you shoot them a message online and they get all the information that they need from you. You know, the engine serial number if you're working on an industrial application or marine engine. They're going to ask you for your VIN number and for your model number of the motor that you have if you have just a regular car or truck or SUV. They personally will shop the best deals for you and say, hey look, we've got vendors from all over the world and we contacted all of them on your behalf and this is the best package that they brought for you. If you have any warranty issues, they go bat for you with the warranty company to make sure that everything's okay. Concierge meets purchasing a motor mixed with just a marketplace for everybody to share their collective so that they can get the best deal, the best warranty, and really high quality service. Engines.com, they're really going to stand behind it.